we'll be considering the daily cipher for today. So follow me as I show you step-by-step guide on how to get it done. So welcome everyone to Digit's channel. If you are here to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and also make sure you also like this video. Please, we want to see like 2,000 to 4,000 likes on this video so that more people will be able to see our video. So thank you for doing that. So the first thing to do is to come to your end part tab at the top here, tab here. So this highlighted place, so you click on it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So now it has changed to the daily cipher for today, and the daily cipher for today is web 3. So the W first is dot, then you long press twice. So we are going to press dot, that's just tap. You tap once, then long press twice. So we got a W, then E is just only tap or dot. So just tap once. So we got our E, then B, you long press once, then tap 3 times. So we long press, tap 3 times. So we got our B, then the last one is 3. 3, you would 3 dot, that means you tap 3 times, then long press twice. So 1, 2, 3, then long press twice. So we got it correctly. Then you take your price. If you are yet to like this video, please like the video, drop your comment. We want the likes to get to like 4,000, 5,000. Please help us to achieve this. You've watched the video, I know you like the video. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment. See you in our next update.